And here we are, the amplifier is installed. Can't you see it? No, I mean, that's kind of the idea, right? So this is with the seats all the way down right now. So there is no subwoofer in this car at this point. But the idea is that the cable that I ran, that actually kind of is under the seats right now, is long enough to where I could actually put the sub out, like behind a seat or something, if I still want to have it while I'm hauling stuff. So here you go. We can pop the battery compartment open, and there is the battery and the wiring and that amplifier. That's that JBL A600. And I don't have the trim plate on because I still have to adjust settings. But if we kind of look up in here, we can see we've got the 4-gauge power exits out here and attaches right here on the battery cable on the main piece up top. I could have put it down here, which would have been nice, but I didn't want it to be across the car's fusible links, just because if there's something wrong with the amp and it pops the fusible links, then the rest of the car doesn't work either. So we don't want that. And then negative goes up there. There is the signal and other positive and remote wire for the amp behind there. I might wrap those with some tape, but then they come up and follow the harness and go way up and around and down and up to the amp up front, or the DSP up front. But we can still kind of get in here to see this. It's a little difficult, but we can get the amp adjustments if we need to. So that's good. But yeah, nice and hidden, and the door fits over. Not a ton more room to spare, but you know, that works out well. So nice and hidden amp install.